Hi friends, today we are going to solve maximum distance problem. Given an array of integer with repeated elements, find the maximum distance between two occurrences of all the elements in the array. So basically here we have to find the maximum distance between two duplicates element if there is present anything. So that's the idea. So to achieve this, we will create a dictionary and a function where we'll store the maximum distance. Let us call maxd, and now we'll write a for loop for I in range of 0 to length of array if that value is not present in the dictionary, then we will be adding that key to the dictionary and appending that position. So it would be dictex dot array of I, and its value is going to be the current position of that element. Else, so else will only happen when there is a duplicate element. So in that case, we will go for the maxd function, a maxd variable, and select the maximum of I minus so you might wonder that in this case we are not storing the current location in our dictionary. So reason for not doing it that is that we're looping through from left to right. So as the number of elements, or as we keep on, for example, let's took this example. Let's take the example of 2. The first occurrence is happening at 1th position, then the second operation would happen it in the third position. So 1 minus 3 is going to be 2, but we would be storing these first indices in our dictionary. So again, when we will be finding that value of 2, let's say at 11th position, there would be 11th minus 1 would be equal to 10. So this value is always going to be stagnant, and the more value that will be keeping on finding to the right side of the array, the more larger will be the distance. So that's the basic idea of doing it in this way. And at last we'll be returning our value, return maxd. So let's run the code. I hope it would give an output of 10. Yeah, as you can see, the output is 10. Pretty straightforward problem. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned.